How to set up Google Pay. Want to pay securely with your phone? Let's set up Google Pay Setup. On Android, go ahead and open up Google Play Store. Now, if you're using an iPhone, use the App Store. Now, go ahead and open what applies for you, and then from here, go ahead and head over into the search tab. On the search tab, go ahead and look for the search bar. Once you find the search bar, go ahead and click on it and search for Google Pay. Now, once you search for this should pop on the results. So click on this and then click on install. Go ahead and wait for the app to be installed on your mobile device. Now, once it is installed, go ahead and click on the open button at the right side of it to access the app. Now, once you're on the app, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. If you already use Gmail or YouTube, you can use the same account. Now, in here, you'd be able to find this payment methods tab. So once you click on this will easily allow you to add a payment method for your Google Pay account. So in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and add a payment card, transit pass, loyalty card, and gift card. Go ahead and choose credit or debit card and then enter your details manually or scan the card. Your bank may ask you to verify with a code or app confirmation. Google Pay requires a screen lock for security. Enable PIN, fingerprint, or face lock to protect your payments. Once verified, your card shows is ready to pay. Now you can tap your phone at contactless terminals, pay online, or send money where supported. And that is how to set up Google Pay.